Now, how can you photograph and then take photos on the iPhone with less light available? Let's explain that. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, two main options in here. If you don't have enough lighting, you can supplement for it with the use of a flash, right? So you can just swipe up from the bottom like this, or tap on the button in the top right and enable the flash, right? So there are three options. It can be turned off, on, or automatic. So make sure it's turned on, and when you capture the photo, it will add the lighting. Like, that's of course useful, but a lot of times you don't really like the look. I mean, I'm talking about myself, right? I don't really like the look of the flash. So another option is to use the night mode, which is another feature. It's like this like dark icon in there, like the moon, whatever, and you can tap on it and it changes the duration of the night mode available, which is based on the lighting in, but it's the amount of seconds it will take to capture the footage, right? So the maximum is 30 seconds, and it can literally take 30 seconds to capture one photo if there is just so little light available, because it will use all of that time to capture as much light into the lens to end up with a usable photo, right? So that's like a nice built-in feature of the camera application. But at the end of the day, you can still like perform some changes later in the edits. Even in the Photos app, you can bump up the shadows, or add some like definition or noise reduction, right? So yeah, reducing noise might be a good feature in the Photos app, because low light photos usually end up with a lot of grain. So that's the stuff that you need to pay attention to. Let me know in the comments below if you manage to just make it somehow work on your device. Most definitely subscribe so you never miss tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.